So what is up mga tech shop? For today's video mga tech shop, I'm gonna show you how to be able to change the date and time for iPhone 10. So in this phone mga tech shop, as you can see, I cannot change the date and time for some reason. You cannot click the set automatically, and you cannot click the time zone. It's grayed out basically. But you can change 24-hour time format. So to fix this mga tech shop, you'll need to go back and look for privacy and settings, or privacy and security. And then once you find the privacy and security, you'll need to turn off the location services.
What?
Alright, as you can see, it's turned on currently, so you'll need to turn it off and confirm, and then go back and look for screen time.
What?
And you'll need to turn it off as well, so you can you'll need to drag or slide going to the bottom and turn it off. So once you're able to turn it off after entering the passcode, then you can go back to the date and time, and you should be able to set the date and time, or you can set automatically and select the time zone.
Nice.
Alright, so if this video helps you mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna be posting a lot of repairs and solutions on this YouTube channel. Let's go!